Namaste. Welcome to Such Conversations Matter. Conversations that represent the future we should have. I'm your host, Saurabh Nanda. Today's guest is Mr. Richard Farkas from Helsinki, Finland. Richard is the creator of this amazing cross-cultural intelligence tool called the CultureConnector. I was introduced to the CultureConnector tool by Ms. Elizabeth Masamune, who is the Managing Director of Awaji Youth Federation, a fellowship that I was part of in 2019. And the moment I used that tool, I was fascinated by it. Elizabeth was also a guest on Such Conversations Matter in the first season. Elizabeth connected me and Richard earlier this year to talk about various things related to culture, and actually Richard wanted to invite me over to his podcast. And now I'm part of this amazing tribe that he has created of cross-cultural experts, intercultural experts from across the world. These people have amazing wisdom and knowledge to give and share with the world today. Richard, before creating the CultureConnector, has a background in education, education technology, digital communications, training, and just helping a lot of people with a lot of cultural conundrums. These are going to make some amazing questions. So let me invite Richard over to the show. Hi, Richard. How are you?